Well, good evening, everybody. Yeah, that's crazy. I just seen it's not really even. It's mind-boggling. So there's a guy, WL Toys 144001 red suspension upgrade from AliExpress, Max Toys and Bricks, 3.6K views 2 months ago. Yo, dude. Yo, my videos are way better than him. Way better than this guy. I crack jokes. I play music. I do all kinds of cool. I'm putting a brushless kit, and I put the metal up. Oh man, yo, you guys disappointed me, man. That's messed up. That broke my heart. And I got Armor Granite videos up. I don't know, whatever. That hurts.